Hey, this is Deb from Tech Talk. If you are here, then you are having trouble uploading a video that is already 60 seconds or less, but it's still asking for a thumbnail, which basically is not showing as a short. Well, the way I get around that is by using Canva, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. So what I do is I just open up Canva, and at the default page, you can either go up here and select a TikTok video, or you can just scroll through the list here. And I usually select TikTok. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the video that I'm looking to upload and see if I can find it. There it is right there. I'm going to go ahead and just throw it in here. And obviously, it's not ideal because you're not going to be able to open it up as far as you normally would, but it'll still look pretty decent online. You can go up here and just add. So I like a lot of times I'll just take and I'll go ahead and add a square box to it. If it lets me grab it, I'll go up here and I'll just do this, and I'll go position to the backwards, and then I'll do the same thing. I'll just hold Alt and then I'll left click and drag down here, and that'll duplicate it. And that's pretty much all I do for this thing. I mean, technically it probably should be over here more, but and then you can go like this and you can, I mean, just to see what it looks like up here. That'll give you an idea what it's going to look like once it plays. All right, I'm going to do that. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and just so I have a logo. I'll go to images and logo. So then down here, I'll just do something like I'll type in here subscribe. We just put this right here, and that's pretty much it. So now we're going to go ahead and download, and we're going to hit download. And all right, so the video has finished downloading. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to my channel, and I'm going to go to the dashboard, and now I'm going to go ahead and click the upload a video. And I'm just going to go to the current download that I just did. And I'm going to go to downloads. And I'll just move this over a little bit so that I can drag and drop it right in here. And I'll just scroll down to show you that it should be showing as a short now, ideally. So for now, you can't change the thumbnail on your short. So that's pretty much it. So I don't need to, I'll go ahead and finish this on my own. And I hope this was helpful. And please consider liking and subscribing. All right. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. All right.